Yeah, dear student, welcome back to the business study class. Our chapter going on is chapter 4, that is business services. And today we are going to study about some more services. So one topic is postal services. This has been deleted by CBSE for your current session. Clear? This topic has been deleted. Clear? So now we are not going to study this concept. So our next concept is telecom services. Okay. So next topic is telecom services. This we are going to study telecom services. So world class telecommunication information infrastructure is the key to rapid economic and social development. Okay. So the development of the telecom service is necessary. They are the backbone. Communication is the backbone of development of every country. It is in today's world, the dream of doing business across the continent will remain a dream in the absence of telecom infrastructure. Telecom services has made the whole world a global village. Whole of the global village, everything has been come to your bedroom or to your laptop. You can access anything around the world with the help of good quality of telecom services. There have been far-reaching development in the convergence of telecom, IT, consumer electronics and media industries worldwide, recognizing the potential and enhancing the quality of life and to facilitate the dream of India becoming super IT power or having world-class infrastructure by 2025. New telecom policy framework 99 and broadband policy 2004 were developed by the government of India. In 1999, world-class telecom facility policy has been developed and broadband to provide broadband good quality of the internet. So broadband policy was developed in the year 2004 and to become IT superpower by the year 2025. We have also dreamt of a situation where we will become a telecom superpower by 2025. See, what cheapest data is available in our country, what cheapest call rate is available in our country because of the telecom revolution. Through this framework, the government intends to provide both universal services to all the uncovered areas and high-level services for meeting the needs of country's economy. Both type of services, for a businessman, good quality of the telecom services are available, and for an individual person, according to his or her need, several other types of broadband and telecom plans are available. Okay? So various type of telecom services are clear. Now we study several type of telecom services. So first is cellular mobile services. These are the all types of mobile telecom services, including the voice and non-voice messages. What does it include? Voice calling and non-voice. Voice means only when we are going to talk with one another, and non-voice involve messages, data service, and PCO. Okay? What does non-voice involve? Messages and data service. Clear? Voice means talking. Talk to one person. Why it is called cellular? Because network is dependent upon particular cell. One tower is erected in an area, and that tower is going to cover up to 1, 2 or 3 square kilometer of area. So that particular tower is called cell. So it is called cellular. Whenever you are roaming or moving in a city, your network is going to shift from one tower to another tower. So it is called cellular mobile services. Utilizing any type of network within their services. They can also provide direct interconnectivity with any other type of telecom service provider. Okay? Nowadays it is the whole country is one territory. Previously roaming facility and other type of things were prevalent in our country, but with the passage of the development, these all nonsense things have been removed. Now whole country is treated as one unit. Now we will study the second, that is fixed line services. Fixed line services. Now what does it include? These are all type of fixed services including voice and non-voice messages and data services to establish linkage for long distance traffic. Clear? In order to maintain long distance traffic, what we should have? Fixed line service. Clear? Because we are number one in wireless internet. Clear? But if you see, consider the foreign countries and other western internet, they are in fixed line service because they are more reliable, and we will have distortion in mobile services. But still we are the world's biggest wireless internet service user. These generally fixed line services use a linkage for long distance traffic. These utilize any type of network equipment primarily connected through optic fiber cable. Clear? What we are going to use here is OFC, optic fiber cable. This is the latest development for the carrying of data in nowadays services. Laid across the length and breadth of the country, they also provide interconnectivity with other types of telecom services. Nowadays you will see in the whole world near about 7 to 8 times of the diameter of the earth, an optic fiber cable has been laid down in order to serve the needs of human. This is the situation. Clear? Because all the networks are connected with each other, so several type of OFC cable has been laid. Just railways are having their own fiber optic OFC cable network. Clear? That is called RailTel, because they are not dependent upon the other telecom services for their communication. Similarly, defense services are having their own OFC. So in this way, several departments have their own OFC, because railways and gas companies are working in remote area where it is not possible to provide the cellular service, conventional service. So they have laid down their own network cables. Okay. Third is cable services. These are the linkage and switches services within a licensed area of operation to operate media services, which are essentially one-way entertainment related services. Now, what are cable services? To provide entertainment. To provide entertainment, like everybody is having DTS, direct to home connection. Previously, there were cable provider, cable service provider for the entertainment. One person has installed a very big satellite receiver, and from that receiver, they are distributing cables into the each and every household. But nowadays government has made it mandatory to everybody will have DTS, direct to home. So that business has been finished now. The two-way communication including voice, data and information services through cable network would emerge significantly in the future. Offering services through the whole cable network would be similar to providing fixed services. This is one way. These above two are two-way. Means you can make a call to somebody else, at the same time anybody can call you. But cable services are one way. Here you are just receiving the signals of a particular channel and you are enjoying the services of that thing. So that thing is called cable services. Next is VSAT services. Now VSAT, this is again an American technique. Very small apparatus terminal. Generally this has been settled over the ATM to have a receive the quick signal. If you will see that over and above the ATM, you will see that one satellite receiver is there, which send the signal to the satellite, and here below to it is a VSAT is involved, VSAT apparatus. You will several times observe that whenever you are withdrawing the money, machine is counting the money, at the same time you have received the message in your mobile that money is withdrawn from your account. How significant, how fast this thing has been taken place. This all happens with the VSAT. This is generally used in share terminals. When the price of the share is changed in the stock market, within 2 seconds it will reflect on your screen. So for that quick services, VSATs are used, generally used by banks and ATMs to receive the quick message. Now what are those? Very small aperture terminal is a satellite based communication system. Again it's a satellite based. This TV, this dish will send signal to the satellite that money is withdrawn from your bank account, and from that satellite the message will come to your mobile. Very small aperture terminal is a satellite based communication service. It offers businesses and government agencies highly flexible and reliable communication solution in both urban and rural areas, because these VSAT are connected through the satellite with the help of what that thing is called, microwaves. So immediately it can operate within the rural area as well as urban area compared to the land-based services. VSAT offer the assurance of reliable and uninterrupted services that is equal to or better than land-based service. It can be used to provide innovative applications such as telemedicine, newspaper online, market rates and education even in most remotest area of country. So again it's a very good internet provider service into the rural area without having any landline connectivity. So again it's a very good service. Okay. Next is DTH services. This is called direct to home. So direct to home is again a satellite based media service. DTH is again a satellite based media service provided by the cellular companies. One can receive media services directly through a satellite with the help of a small dish antenna and a set-top box. Even you can buy central government free dish as well as you can buy dish of any private company or a cellular company, so that you can receive several type of channel, because on free dish only limited number of channels are available. The service provider of DTH services provide a bouquet of multiple channels. It can be viewed on your television without being dependent on the services provided by cable network service provider. Because in cable services, what was having, you will be having access to the limited number of channels. But in DTH service, you are free to join any number of channel by paying an amount. Because in the recent development, government has decided several type of rates for every individual channel. It will be reflected on the box that this channel will cost you monthly basis of what amount. Clear? So in this way, these are the telecom services prevalent in our country. See, first is cellular services. This include voice and non-voice. Voice involve talks, non-voice involve message and data services. Fixed line services. This include the fixed line phones, network services, router and every other thing. Cable services is a one-way services for purpose of entertainment. VSAT is again a one more way of communicating in the rural and urban areas without having cable line services. And DTH services is satellite based media services for your entertainment. So I hope this thing is clear to you. In the next class we will meet with another topic, transportation. Thank you. Happy learning.